Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have an opening of the GlossyBox, the egg. And that is a special edition. I think it's called the Easter egg, right? It's called GlossyBox Easter egg. Yep, 2021. And I was able to pick up 2 of them. And so I will be opening one and the other will go into the giveaways. And so if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well and you're having a good day or had a good day. But today what I want to do is I want to open this Easter egg. I don't celebrate Easter, being Muslim, but they're calling it an Easter egg, so I'm just going to call it an Easter egg as it is. But this is just from the GlossyBox where, they have the special edition things in different times of the year. And this was really cute. So I gone ahead and I ordered 2 of them. And as a subscriber to GlossyBox, I was able to pick them up for $25 each. So that was quite good because I believe if you're not a subscriber, it's $40 maybe. But these prices are different. So I can't remember. So anyhow, I don't know if you're still able to get it, but let me know if you did get it. But let's go ahead and open it. And okay, it opens up like this. I think it does. Well, not really. It had the thing where you pull the tab, but I cut it. Okay, that's okay. And here's the card, and the card says, "When with." For Rio. Oh, that's right. There could be like a golden ticket in one of these to, and then if you have the golden ticket, then you win that little facial massage doohickey that's worth like $200 or so. So anyway, okay, let's see how this comes out. I don't want to drop it because it looks like it's open. Oh, it is open. So let me just pull this out real quick. Okay. And it's like this, and it's a little bit open. So I'm going to go ahead and while it's still in here, I'm going to shut it so that way everything doesn't fall out of it. Okay. Sorry about that. I know I'm probably making so much noise. So anyhow, okay. So it comes like kind of like this, but I think it's so stuffed in there that it's just like, it's not letting me close it. But anyway, this is so cute. It says GlossyBox on a ribbon here, and then the goodies are inside. And so before I do get into this egg, let's just take a look and see what's on the card. Okay, the card does contain what's inside, and I'll go ahead and read those to you as I pull them out. But on the back, it also says there may be a golden ticket. It says, did you find a golden ticket inside your Easter egg? If you did, congratulations. If you weren't one of the lucky winners, don't worry. Head over to lookfantastic.com to shop the entire For Real range. So, okay. And yeah, that's that. And I think there are 7 items in this egg. And there is, and I think they're all the same, what's on the inside. And so whatever you see me open here, I'm going to go ahead and, since I have the second egg, I'm going to do a giveaway in this video, actually. And then I'm just going to give away that egg, okay? And so, yeah, I hope I don't forget. So, yeah, okay, here we go. So when you open up the egg, you have your cute little pieces here. And so I don't want to show you all of what's in here. So I'm just going to take it out one at a time. And then the first thing is, this is a Surf Foam Spray Blow Dry. So what is this? And let me show you. And I actually like this brand. And I think, isn't this B&B, Bumble and Bumble? Yep, it's Bumble and Bumble. Here you go. I'm hoping that it will go ahead and focus. And let me tell you a little bit about it. Okay, so Bumble and Bumble, this is travel size, Surf Foam Spray Blow Dry, so beachy hair can be glamorous too. Infused with the signature salt mineral complex, this part mousse, part salt spray will add polish volume to your hair. Tip, shake well, mist onto damp hair, and distribute evenly with fingers. Blow dry with the brush for a polished look, or use your hands for windswept waves. And the travel size is $17, but the full size is $31, and that's 4.4 ounces. And you know, I like their the regular pump spray one that comes in like a clear bottle. I really have used that, and I do like the sea spray. I've never used anything in a like an aerosol like this, so I'll see. I'll give it a try and see how I like it. Okay. And then the next thing I see here is this pearl a pearl brightening sleeping mask. And here you go. It's by Lapcos. And let me tell you a little bit about this. Okay, it's a daily skin mask pearl. It brightens and illuminates your skin with this tenacious sheet mask. Its pearl extract contains anti-aging benefits to promote rejuvenation and give your skin beautiful luminous glow. Okay, so, but this doesn't look like a sheet mask to me. It seems like, oh, you know what? I think there was a replacement of something. This might be it, where they replaced the actual, the sheet mask with something different. And this must be it. I did get an email from them saying ahead of time that something is different. So, okay, that's that. Okay, but that's okay because I do like, you know, these type of masks better actually. Than the sheet mask, you know, if it's going to be like this. So that's fine. Yeah, I like sheet mask too, but I like this. You can use it over and over again, see, because it's got a lid on it. Okay, and next, what do we have next? And it doesn't look like I have a golden ticket, but that's okay. Next is Grande Mascara Conditioning Peptide Mascara. Is this the famous Grande Mascara that makes your eyebrows grow? I mean, our eyelashes grow? I don't know. Okay, so let's see what it says about it here. Let me just pick this up and take a look. It says here, it's a conditioning peptide mascara, conditions while you coat. This mascara is infused with peptides, panthenols, and natural waxes to promote healthier looking lashes over time. It's buildable, clump-free, and water-resistant. Okay, it's water-resistant. It's not waterproof, but it is water-resistant. Okay, that's okay. It says tip, sweep brush from lash base to tip in an upward motion. Apply multiple coats for extra volume. So this is full price and it's retails for $25. And it is full, yeah, like I said, full, yeah, it is. And it has all of these claims in the back. The research says this and research says that. So, but I know Grande, I had the lash conditioner and it did, I mean lash brow conditioner and it did really help and it did work. But what it says is that 93% of the people said it didn't clump and 94% saw healthier lashes. And it's based on a consumer study with only 31 subjects. Results will vary. So yeah, okay, that's nice. And let's see what it looks like anyway. Yeah. Oh, this is a very nice container. Take a look at this. Very heavy and very, yeah, this is very nice. I'm going to give this a try. Even though it's only water resistant, it's better than, you know, not being anything at all. So, okay. Very nice. This is very heavy. So, yeah, it's got weight to it. Okay, and then the next thing that is in my bag here, in the egg, is a Bioderma, and it is a Sensible Gel Moussant. What is that? Soap? What is moussant? What does that mean? Okay, it's in 2 other languages, but some kind of a cleansing gel, I think. Yeah, here. There we go. And I will go ahead and read about it. And so let's take a look. Okay, it says Bioderma Sensible Foaming Gel. Okay, it is gel. Okay, this gentle soap and fragrance-free cleanser. Ooh, keeper. Has lipid restoring and moisturizing properties, making it a great option for even sensitive skin. It removes makeup and cleanses without stripping or over drying. Okay, tip says apply on wet skin, work into a foam, and rinse with water. Okay, this is a travel size, which is $6, and the full size, which is 500 milliliters, is $19.90. Okay, all right. You know what? This is this is actually a pretty good size. I mean, yeah. I mean, I think I'll save this for maybe travel because it does have like a seal around all this, so I like it. Okay, and the next thing out of my egg is by Wonder Beauty. It's called Dive In Moisturizer. Okay, okay. I always like moisturizers, but I never find one that's fragrance free. So let's see. And I think Wonder Beauty is Cake Cosmetics, isn't it? Isn't it made in Korea, I think? Yeah, it is. I just saw it. Okay, so let me read about it to you. And this is a get up to 72 hours of deep hydration with this lightweight lotion, a powerful combination of 13 fruit extracts, including strawberry, raspberry, and cranberry, defends skin against damaging free radicals and slows signs of aging. It's a applied pea-sized amount onto clean face. And so this is, I think this is the full size. It's $36. Oh, nice. And you know what? The thing is, this is where I do a switcheroonie, right? I go from very thick cream-based moisturizer that I use in the wintertime to a more light moisturizer, something like this. So I'm always looking for good moisturizers when the season changes, and I try something new. That way it gives me an idea how good the product is, because it's the first time it's new to my skin, right? So it wouldn't tell me right away. But I'm trying to look and see if this has got fragrance, but I don't see the details of it, so I may have to look this up. Yeah, I will go ahead and look this up. Okay, and next is by Elemis. Okay, I know a lot of people like this company. I don't care for it. I'm going to be totally, brutally honest. I think it's overpriced for the ingredients they put in here. And it always has fragrance, and this is where I have a problem with it. But let me take a look real quick, okay, and see if I see fragrance. Okay, I looked and there is fragrance in here, and then the thing that bothers me so much about this company as far as the fragrance goes, it's not like towards the bottom. It's like way up there in the ingredients, and it's like right here in the middle, you know, and so that means there's a pretty much, you know, there's a lot of fragrance in here. So yeah, and since I don't use any skincare with fragrance that high up, even if it's just a mask, I don't mind a mask, right? But if it's way up there, like there's a lot of it, I don't even like it in a wash away product. And this actually, I think is a mask. Let's read about it. Okay, it's a dynamic resurfacing gel mask. Yeah, it's combining the patented tri-enzyme technology with Amazonian Arceola cherry. This cooling gel masks target fine lines, superficial scarring, and uneven texture for a smooth, radiant complexion. And this deluxe mini is $27. And the full size is $78.50. And so it is quite expensive, like I said, and it is way overpriced for what's in here. And especially when you're going to put fragrance way up in there. And I've not found an Elemis product yet that doesn't do that. And so definitely, I'm not going to use this. And I actually use one product by Elemis. This is one reason why I'm telling you, there was a balm that I got in a box. And I used it. It was very strong fragrance, but it was really irritating me. I mean, my olfactory, which is my, you know, sense of smell, yeah, it bothered me a lot because there was a lot of fragrance in that balm. I was able to get through the jar because I was testing it for you guys. I don't know if you remember this a while back, but yeah, never again. Yeah, this is way overpriced for the stuff they put in there. So, yep. But you know what? That's not to say that you guys may, you know, love it, and that's great. But this is just my opinion on it. And so, yeah, just take that with a grain of salt, please. Okay, the last thing in my bottle, no, egg, yes, egg, is a something made in France called Provence. And let's see, here it is, and it's huge tube. I wonder, is this hand lotion? Man, this is large. And this is a, yeah, relaxing hand cream. It's 96.4% natural origin. And this reminds me of L'Occitane in Provence. This is Mademoiselle Provence, made in France. And so let's see what it says about it. Let's see. Okay, here we go. It says here, caring for your hands is just as important as caring for your face. True. This hand lotion is enriched with fresh natural lavender and angelica extracts from the south of France to nourish and soothe your skin. Tip, apply regularly after washing hands. Remember, your hands will also show your first signs of aging. That's true. And this is full size, and it's $10.99. Well, it's not bad. I mean, a bottle this size from L'Occitane is going to cost you $30, $40. So, I mean, this is very nice. And that one also is made in France, and so is this. And so, let's see if it's got, should I do it? Please let it be a little, oh, yes. It's got a little silver thing, so good. I'm not going to be opening this because I do have my bunch of hand lotions open right now. So, yeah, that's that. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, that's it. That's it in here, right? Yep, that's it. And it comes with little spaghetti, my little black spaghetti here. So, let's go over what I got really quick. I got this mascara by Grande Mascara. And I got the Pearl Mask. Okay. And this is by Pearl and Wonder Beauty, and this is Divan Moisturizer, and I look forward to using this because yeah, I need some light moisturizer, and this would be perfect for the upcoming spring weather. And I also got the Surf Spray, which I definitely will try this as well because I do like the other Bumble and Bumble product. And next one is the Bioderma Gel Facial Cleanser. And I will try this as well. And the hand lotion that we just talked about, I will try this once I put it in rotation. And this is the Elemis mask, which I will not be trying. I will be putting into the future giveaways. So not bad, guys. I mean, for $25 or $24, I think I'm using everything except for this one thing. I mean, that's different, okay? I don't ever get that lucky. So, but yeah, I mean, I definitely think this was so worth it. And I really love this little egg, and I'm going to save this egg. I don't know what I'm going to put in there, but I know I'm going to put something there. But just remember, guys, I have one more like this. And I'm going to be, you know what? Maybe there's a golden ticket in there. Let me know if you guys, whoever wins it, and there's a golden ticket in there. There's a $299 of, what is it? The Fiero, the skin massager in there. So that's what the golden ticket gets you. But anyway, okay. So, yep, I will be shipping that out to whoever wins this. And what I need you to do is please be subscribed to me. And please like this video. And please use the word egg. Okay, and I will go ahead and pick a winner within the week, I'll say, okay? But I'm not sure exactly when. And also, guys, please, if you have subscribed to me in the past, check to make sure you're still subscribed because YouTube will actually unsubscribe you. And I wasn't going to bring this up, but guys, I have one person, I know she religiously watches my videos, you know, here and there. And, you know, we're actually friends and the Instagram and everything. And she actually was picked for this most recent one. And when I went into her channel and I looked, believe me, because she's got like thousands of people, practically it feels like a lot. She's subscribed to a lot of people. So I went through that file 3 times and I was not on there. I actually had my husband go through it with me and see, because I thought maybe I'm not seeing it because I couldn't believe this person would not be subscribed to me. And so, but no, she was not subscribed to me. And I'm not going to say who it is because you're going to feel bad because you won. I mean, I would. You won a giveaway and you thought you were subscribed and you weren't. So, but please, guys, take a look because I do check. I check and I actually check while I'm doing the video. So it's not like I can say, oh, well, let me call this person and see, or let me email this person and see if they have, you know, if they're on my channel. I can't do that because I have to be fair, okay? And so please check and make sure that you are also public because the second person was not public and it took me forever to find a winner. But it's okay. It's okay, okay? But I just don't want you guys to lose out. So please do check those things, okay, my beautiful wildflowers? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And if you liked it, and if I added value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing because we have so much fun. And please become the part of our family, the Wildflower family. So, my beautiful wildflowers, I'm going to say have a good day, have a good night, have a good evening, have a good week, or maybe a weekend, whenever you're watching this. But remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.